All right, Joey, turn the wheel so we can hear this thing. Not so fast. Quit. All right, now turn it back. All right, stop. Good job.